Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to change language in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a platform where you can create any kind of document that you want. If you need help changing language in Adobe Express, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, you need to open Adobe Express. Open the Adobe Express application or open Adobe Express in any kind of browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type express.adobe.com. Press enter. Here you can see you'll be led to the official website of Adobe Express. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change the language, you'll have to find the profile icon. Look at the top right corner and you can see the profile icon over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now this type of box will pop up. Here you can see your name. And here you can see additional options, settings, help, legal notices, sign out, etc. All you have to do is click on the settings option. Now settings option will open up. Here you can see several options and at the top you can see language option over here. And you can see select your preferred language written over here. And you can see the language box. Here you can see my language is in English. So if you want to change the language, all you have to do is click on this language box. Now several languages will pop up. All you have to do is select the language of your choice. Now you can see here the language is changed. So that is how you change language in Adobe Express. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.